Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. I'm Rhoda, so yeah, kindly subscribe, share, like, support my videos by liking and sharing, guys. It means a lot. It will go a long way. So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. If I've never officially introduced you guys to my channel, this is the time. Niliona ni kama naingianga tu mimi nikipost videos tu, hata sijawahi introduce, but yeah, welcome guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my videos. Nitajaribu kuwa consistent, nikuwe nikipost like every week. I'm not giving up this time like the way I did like 5 years ago, 4 years ago. You know, vitu mingi tu zili happen too, so nika give it a break, but sai itakuwa every week. Yeah guys, mtaanza sasa kuzoea hii uso every week. Msisahau kuni support my loves, it will go a long way. Tajaribu kuwa consistent, inshallah. Yeah. So hapa tunataka kuchagua the best of the bags. Yes. Hey loves, so ndio tunatoka soko, ni saa it's a minute to 3. So natoka soko na nilienda soko 6. Nilienda soko 6 am. Natoka soko some minutes to 3. Ndio naelekea home. Ndio nimebeba huko nyuma na jamaa fulani. So yeah man, it's a hustle. I'm so tired and still have to get home. Someone is going to wipe for me the bags. Zisafishwe. I take nice photos. Ni post. Niongee na customers wenye na buy. By the time inafika 9 nitakuwa nimechoka ile wazimu. Hata sitakangi mtu aniongeleshe. Oh my god. It's so exhausting. But you know what? It's okay. That's what I'm here for. Yeah, so most of my day today has been spent in the market, choosing bags, selecting clean pieces. Ni make sure hazina dent. Ziko perfect kabisa. Ndo niwalete vitu smart. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys. Baby. Have you eaten lunch? You've not washed your mouth? Hi. Hi, mommy. Hi. Yes, baby. Hi. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Zito hizi nimewaletea kutoka kwa soko. Give Terry. Give Terry some, baby. Hi, where's Terry? Mommy. Mommy. Hi guys, so it's 6:40. I've just finished. Sai. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm so tired. Hi. Hi, mommy. Mommy? Wenda wapi? Bye. Mommy, come. Unataka kwenda? Anajua unaenda. Unanivuruta, unanivuruta. Bye. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Leo ni kama sijawasalimia, but hectic day, bad weather. Ni live, we had so many bags, like bags zilikuwa zimejaa hapa, and yeah, we are almost sold out. Before ninge live I had like 60 bags na zimebaki 20. So it's 1:30. Nitateka break kiasi. Package zile za deliveries nishafanya. Ni package zile zimenunuliwa sahi. Some clients from outside the country wamebuy, and I want to package them. And making a live, I was like, oh my god, please bring me clients. You may sell out a lot of things, and I'm super grateful to God and to my clients out there who will be watching this video on my YouTube. I'm so happy, and may you always be blessed. Msiwai kosa. So yeah, so far my day is good. Bad weather. Tutafanya aje sasa na ni April. Yeah, but kukua business owner, it's ina need a lot. inakunid mentally, physically, sometimes emotionally, but yeah, that's what I'm here for. So nothing much today, just going live. Nikikula lunch tu kiasi nitarudi tena bado live. Na nikiwa live of course siwezi shoot. Yeah. Sikiingia mtu anasikianga vizuri. Yeah. Hey guys, so I ordered this mkeka to store my client's bag. So yeah, it's so nice, very nice for storage, neutral color. Acha tufike home tuone venye itakaa. Yep. Say hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
No.
Good morning. Say good morning.
No.
Good morning, loves. We've just woken up. It's Thursday. Mi nimeamka nimechoka. Hata kushinda venye nilienda kulala.
No.
Say your name. What's your name?
No, Dakota.
What?
No. No.
Ah.
No. 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 No.
Yeah, so ndo tumeamka. Oops. Say excuse. Say bless you. You. Hey love, so ndo hizi buckets. By this sijawahi onyesha office yangu. This is my office. Well, most of the bags are sold out because it's Thursday. By Monday zinakwanga shelf yote imejaa. But since it's Thursday, most of them have been sold out. Zimebaki tu hizo. This is my office. Yes, very cozy, very beautiful. Courtesy of my man. Well, yeah, he got me this office setup, like alinifanya everything, like this nilibuy 2 ring lights. Yeah, so these are the baskets that I got from Melody. Siji kama mnajua Melody. Previously I was using a box tulinunua nayo nini, washing machine ndo ilikuwa naekea bags, but imeraruka imeisha. But yeah, look at this. Then the color is so neutral, it's so nice. So that is where I store my clients' bags, wenye wamemaliza kulipa na bado wana shop, wenye wanalipa pole pole. Yeah, so nilibuy mbili. That's so nice. Moja ni 1400. Nikibuy alikuwa ameniambia this is the medium size, but venye zilifika they're so big, like they're so big. But yeah, so unaweza funika like that, and you can actually put this one on top if you want to, as long as ya chini imeja. But naka bulky, I think I'll just put it here. Yes, so yeah, that's an upgrade actually, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy about it. Unajua keka bags kwa box, kama kuna aeration zinaanza kupil juu ya joto, but nikiweka hivi, you see kuna hizo matushimo, so hata nikistore bags for like a year hazipil, zitakuwa tu bado ziko in a good condition. Yeah, so shout out to Milad. If you want yours made customized in a smaller size for your sitting room, for your bedroom, ya kustore toys and stuff, just reach out to Melody. Yeah, utampata tu. Yeah. Hi Tyrell. Hi. Tyrell. Hi. Hi. High five. High five, man. Yummy. So today is Saturday, nothing much to do. Nataka tu kwenda kufanya deliveries Sarit Center. Kuna a client of mine who I've been like purchasing a lot of bags, ako Germany, so nafaa kumtumania na DHL, so ndo nataka niende. Guys, I do deliver. Aki, it's God, oh my goodness, nataka niende nifanye hizo deliveries leo. Amekuwa akizipile for like a month. Yeah, so I'll tag you along. So that's like